We are in a really small town right now, like population 800 people total, and there's 4 restaurants to choose from for dinner. 2 of them are already closed, so we're gonna walk downtown and see if we can find some dinner between the other 2. Welcome to Wilson, Kansas. Wilson is a sleepy blast from the past town, tucked in the middle of Kansas along Highway 70. Wilson is also the Czech capital of Kansas, which, to be honest, we didn't know even existed. The coolest feature to mark this claim is a giant 20-foot Czech egg at the town's center. It's a Czech tradition to hand-paint fiberglass eggs. It's called kreclice. And that's not the only one. They're all over the town. Okay, so the coolest thing about this town is I found this brochure in the laundry room at the campground we're staying at, and it tells you exactly what everything used to be. So a lot of the buildings you'll see are run down and they're boarded up, but it tells you the history of what it used to be, and it's super cool to me. Give it 1 more hour and there will be a super cool sunset happening between those 2 buildings. Also, this is an active railroad track. We learned that when we heard a loud, loud train coming through at our campground. And then we heard it again, and then we heard it again, so.
And then we got stuck behind the train on a walk because we were on the wrong side of town. Let me just check the menu real quick. Get it? Check. Chicken bacon ranch wrap with fries looks A-okay for me. Let's go get seated.
Oh, we're not gonna go check out the other place?
I am very hungry.
I mean, I had my eye on Granny's pizza, but you lead the way.
Do you want pizza?
No, just go through the door now.
Because Granny's is around the corner.
Baby, go.
Are you sure?
Yes. Why are you leaving? You're testing me? Just go. Once inside, there were no humans in sight. After several minutes of admiring the mini Czech eggs, we decided to try a different restaurant.
The restaurant is probably closed because of a biker thing, and I would confirm, but I can't find any humans, so we're going to Grandma's.
To Grandma's house we go.
Check you later. That one didn't even make sense. This town is like so weird, but fun, but cool, but odd. It's abandoned, but also I'm kind of interested, you know? All right, we're here at Grandma's Soda Shop.
A really good chicken bacon ranch.
We saw that on the menu and I was like, I have a feeling that's really good. Should we do that? He just made the order for us. We're doing chicken bacon ranch.
We're an old-fashioned soda fountain, 1950s, fully restored. All the sodas are made from scratch, and if you guys want to, you can actually make your own drinks.
Tell us about the dessert.
It's a kolache, it's a pastry.
Okay.
They're filled with different food fillings. We have cherry, peach, apricot, prune, poppy seed, and cottage cheese. And right now we have apple. And then we also have our bierox.
Okay, what's that?
Cabbage, beef, onion, and special seasoning in like a big hot pocket. The owners are Czech. They're family recipes.
I've never had a Czech dessert.
So get the kolache.
Poppy seed is the more like traditional way people eat it. Let's just try that.
How many do you want?
Oh my God, there's so many decisions here. All right, let's try one each. He's just gonna put one of everything on the menu.
I feel like I have to try the prune. Where are you ever gonna find a prune dessert? I am so excited. Christopher, you'll let me know when it's time to make my soda, right? You're not gonna let me miss out? Okay. I feel like this was the right choice for the full experience.
Yeah, totally.
So is Grandma the owner?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm your grandpa on it. So who's gonna make it?
Me.
Oh man,
I'm doing it. It's me.
Cherry, peach, apricot, prune, poppy seed, cottage cheese, or right now we have apple.
We got poppy seed and prune, but we've also never
That's
had
the
them.
kind my mom made all that.
Okay.
One poppy seed, one prune.
Wow, I should work here.
You want it warmed up or frozen? You're gonna fill it up to your
Okay, so this is how soda used to be made, right? You
Yes,
do the
ma'am.
syrup, yeah?
You got the phosphate?
Actually, I do. Do you want some? It is a flame. It just gives it a little bit of a different. It gives it a little bit of a kick.
What does it kick? What do you mean?
I can't explain it.
It's not alcohol, right?
No.
Okay, I understand.
Lots of ice.
Okay.
This is your carbonated water. Pull the handle toward you. Do not push it backwards.
Like just let go when I'm done?
There.
Wow.
You're gonna take your spoon, put it in, pull it forward, pull it up. Do that a few times.
Okay. So not like traditional stirring, we're like rotating.
Right. And you are ready to go.
I'm so excited. That is really good. This is the real stuff, I can tell. I don't taste the kick though. Is the kick spicy?
Rocky Mountain oysters, but testing.
That is wonderful. I was not expecting that. It actually tastes really good. If you're wondering by my last comment if I thought it was going to taste kind of terrible, the answer is yes. So this is a pleasant surprise.
It tastes like fresher,
Yeah, like
less fake.
it feels like the flavor is on top.
Yeah.
Would you like to see inside the old city jail?
Yeah. I can bring my soda, right? Okay. I have my safety tools just in case shit gets weird.
It was on the property. They compromised the property.
Oh my.
The keys and the padlock are from the Yuma, Arizona Territorial Prison.
This
Those keys
Yeah.
and that padlock behind you,
are from where?
the Yuma, Arizona Territorial Prison.
Okay.
The ball and chain is from Alcatraz. If you look at the top, it actually says it's stamped Alcatraz Prison.
Oh my gosh,
Why
you
is
are
it
not
here?
kidding.
Okay, get out of the creepy part.
That is a fun magic trick. We look at the prison and we come back and we have food.
Wow, abracadabra. Holy cow. Does this technically count as a salad?
Oh yeah. Is it good? What's going on with your face?
It's really good.
Is that your it's really good face?
Yeah,
It looks like you're concerned.
I am. That is so good. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh man, I've never tasted straight poppy seed. What a bizarre taste.
Isn't it good though?
Are you still eating pizza or are you gonna try yours?
I'm gonna try mine, and then I'm going back to pizza.
Right.
I think the only time I've ever had prunes was like when I was little and constipated.
That's the one. You like prunes?
I guess so. Okay, it is very late and we've had a lot to eat in our tummies. We ate so much food, and if you're wondering if they were full of allergens and things we're not supposed to eat, you're correct. Look at the old cuppies.
Okay, so
Are those newspapers?
Let's go.
Look at the moon. We gotta go. Bye.